Don't be silly about what?
Scare me.
I scare you?
Take the picture now.
No, you're sleeping. You look weird. I'm gonna take a shower.
Again?
Yeah.
Me too.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Fine.
Okay.
You're taking me Grandma's house.
Yeah.
Grandma not work.
I'm gonna take you to Grandma's for a little bit. And then I'll pick you up after work, okay? You love me? Do you like sleeping at my house?
Yeah, not Joe's house.
No?
No, it's at but I want to say, I'm working the Mama. And I said, her said, no, I'm working.
I was working. You look comfy. You wanna see yourself? Huh? Let me see, how do you do this? I don't know how to do it. Hello, flip it. I can't do it. Love you.
No.
I'm gonna say goodbye.